How to fix you have created too many pages on Facebook. So first is go to Facebook. Tap on the three horizontal lines located on the top right corner, and then tap Pages. Click Get Started, and then enter the name of your page. And then select the category of your page. And then create. So this is where the issue appears, in which a notification pops up saying that you have created too many pages. So you have to take a screenshot of this page along with the notification. So once you already have the screenshot, you have to go back until you're in the menu section. Scroll down, and on the bottom you will see the help and support option. So tap the drop down arrow button and select report a problem, and then tap on report problem. So you can just select don't include in report. So in here, select pages, and then upload the screenshot of the issue by tapping on this upload from phone button. And then write down a message to the Facebook teams. So once you're done writing your message, you can now hit the send button. And now from here, you just have to wait until your issue is resolved. And so that is how you fix you have created too many pages on Facebook. Thank you and have a great day.